Hello guys, welcome to Swift Communication GH. In this video, I'll be unboxing a Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. The color I'm unboxing today is black. If you look closely, you can see the S20 written on the box. Over here, you can see it written Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. When you open the box, under the box, you can see the SIM card remover. Nothing else is here. Over here, you can see the quick start guide. How to place your SIM, the power button, the fingerprints. Inside the box, you can see the fast charging head. And here we have an OTG USB connector. Over here, this is the USB cable. Type C to Type C. Then you have the earpiece. This is the Samsung AKG earpiece. It's also a Type C. You have extra band for adjustment. That's all that's in the box. This is the phone. This is a black color. If you look closely, it has 4 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a flashlight at the back. At one side, you have the volume button and the power button. Over here, we have the Type C USB port and the microphone. This is the speaker, this is the microphone. At the top, we have another microphone and the SIM card slot. Let's turn on the phone. Over here, you can see written Galaxy S20 Ultra, powered by Android. It has a small front-facing camera at the top. Our battery is 9%, so let's plug in the charger. Right, you can see welcome. We select English. accept all the terms and conditions. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is a fast charger, so it has gone to 10%. We don't have any data to copy, so click on don't copy. While this loading, let's insert our SIM card. It uses a nano SIM. So this is how you place your SIM card. We'll be using an MTN SIM card. The version we are reviewing today is also factory unlock. That means you can use any SIM card in any country. The date and time is correct. Let's set up a Face ID. Oh, this is fast. The screen size of this version is 5.9. It's really big. So we are done with the setup. In our next video, we'll be comparing this phone to an iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 11 Pro Max. So subscribe to our channel, guys. Like and share our videos too. See our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.